how to switch dark mode on Facebook. So if you want to enjoy the dark mode option, then all you have to do is open up your Facebook. And here, after opening your Facebook, on the upper right corner you will have a 3-barred icon. Tap on that, and if you scroll down you will find a settings and privacy option. Tap on settings and privacy, and under settings and privacy tap on settings, and then if you scroll down under preferences you will find a bunch of options, right? So here you will have a dark mode option. Tap on dark mode, and here you will have on option, off option, right? So if you want to enjoy your dark mode on Facebook, then you can simply tap on, and here you go, you can enjoy the dark mode on Facebook. So it was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.